So what we're gonna do is we're going to lay our string on our hand like we're making a magic ring. Hold on to it with your thumb here, wrap it around 2 fingers, grab it with this finger, and then you're going to take your hook with the head. He's going to have his face down. He's going to go under that first string like that. Grab the second ring, pull it under. You're still kind of holding on to everything. Have him roll over on his back, turning away from you, and then scoot your fingers down and grab all the mess. Then you're going to just chain 2 onto this ring. So we're here. We're just going to chain 2. So wrap it around, pull through, and here's where you might have to help it. Wrap it around and pull through. That's a chain stitch. And then remember how this will automatically want to flip to that side. So let it. You can even unravel this if you want so it's not twisted. And then we're going to do the next 3 treble crochets. So treble crochet means you're going to have to wrap your working yarn, this yarn, around your hook 2 times before you do all the other stuff. So watch what I do. So you're going to wrap your yarn around once and twice. Then you're going to, with these 2 strings on this side, so it looks like that, dive into the ring, wrap it around, pull up, and pull through, wrap it around and pull through 2. Then you're going to wrap it around, pull through another 2. Then you're going to wrap it around and pull through your third 2. That's why it's called treble crochet. Treble stands for 3. So we did that, pull through 2 3 times. So we've done, these are our chains, our 2 chains that we did. This is our first of 3 treble crochets. It's a big long stitch. We have to do 2 more. So we wrap it around twice, 1, 2. We dive into the hole, wrap it around, pull it up. This where it gets a little fiddly. Wrap it around, pull through 2. 1, 2. These 2 you pull through. Wrap it around, pull through 2. These 2. Make sure I'm in the window. Yep. Wrap it around, pull through the final 2. Now you have 1 left. So now we have our second treble crochet. You can slide it over if you want. So now we have to do our third. So wrap it around twice, dive in to the hole, wrap it around, pull it up, wrap it around, pull through 2. 1, 2. Wrap it around, pull through 2. Wrap it around, pull through 2. So now we have our 3 treble crochets right here. 1, 2, 3. And then our first 2 chain 2s right there. And I just slide it over a little bit. Now we do 3 double crochets. So instead of wrapping it around twice like we did for the treble, you're going to only wrap it around once for our double crochets. So you wrap it around, dive in, wrap it around, pull it up, wrap it around, pull through 2, and wrap it around, pull through 2. So we did that thing twice where we wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2. We did that twice for a double crochet. So we have to do 3 of those. We've done 1, and you can see how it's a little shorter than the treble crochet. So we have to do 2 more of those. Wrap it around, dive in, wrap it, grab it, pull up, wrap it around, pull through 2, 1, 2, oop, wrap it around, pull through 2. That's the end of that one. And then 1 more time. Wrap it around, dive in, wrap it around, pull up, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2. Okay, now we're at this step. Oh, did we do 3? Let's check. Yep, here's our 2 chains. 1, 2, 3 is our 3 treble, and 1, 2, 3, 3 doubles. Good. Okay, so next, it's just a simple chain 1. Wrap it around, pull it through. Now we do a treble, which is the same up here. TRC stands for treble crochet. So we wrap it around twice. We dive in, wrap it around, pull up, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2. That's 1 treble. That's all we have to do. We're going to chain 1 now. We're on this one. So we're going to chain 1. And you can see that the heart, if you look at it this way, this is the one side of the heart. You see how it kind of looks like a heart, but we haven't pulled it tight yet, so we'll get there. So now we did our chain 1, didn't we? Now this is where I'm like, wait, did we or did we not? Yeah, we did. Yep, so chain 1, which is right there. Now back to 3 double crochets like we did up here. So this time we only wrap it around once. Wrap it around, dive in, wrap it around, pull up, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2. We have to do that 2 more times because we're doing 3 double crochet. So 2 more because we just did 1. Wrap it around, dive in, wrap it around, pull up, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2. So I have to do 1 more. Wrap it around, dive in, wrap it around, pull up, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2. And I think that's it. Now we do 3 treble crochets, same as what you've already done. So this time we wrap around twice. 1, 2. So dive in, wrap it around, pull up, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2. There's your first treble. We've got to do 2 more. Wrap it around twice. 1, 2. Dive in, wrap it around, pull up, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2. We have 1 more to do. Wrap it around twice, dive in, wrap it around, pull up, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2, wrap it around, pull through 2. We're done with that. So now we chain 2, just like we chained 2 in the beginning. 1, 2, and then we do a slip stitch still in this ring. So do the slip stitch. This is something new for you. Slip stitch into the ring. So we're going to simply dive in, wrap it around, pull it up, but don't do any more wrapping. Pull it straight through what you just did. That's all you do. I'll do it 1 more time. We're taking it out. All you do, you dive into the circle, wrap it around, pull up, and pull straight through what's on your hook. Just like that. That's all you need to do. And now you can cut your string, which I'll cut way over here with my scoofy little scissors, and pull your hook through like that. And the first thing you want to do is pull the magic ring tight. So you're going to pull it, pull it, pull it until it won't go anymore. And you want to use yarn that won't break because you really want it snug, really tight. And that looks pretty tight. Okay, and then the next thing you do is you pull this one tight too. And that will yank it on down. And there you have your crocheted heart. So good job, and keep on crocheting.